Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar, math teacher, and now we are on a channel Think Math with Shailesh. In this channel, today's we will going to learn the chapter set. In chapter set, this video deals with the basic ideas and membership concept of the set. To make the questions easy, I have used the picturization method. I have correlated all the statement with the real pictures or the virtual pictures of the members of those set. So if you want to take the full advantage of this video, then you must see my first earlier activity video regarding set. So get ready to learn the set basics.
Student, this is Shailesh Kumar and we are on channel Think Math with Shailesh. Now in this video we will deal the statements which are being asked that the sets or not sets. So the heading is which of the following collections are sets. So the first one is all vowel, the other one is second one, that is President of India, then all yellow fruits, top 5 wicket takers in Test cricket, and colors of a rainbow, counting numbers between 30 and 40. So all these statements you have to decide these are the examples of the sets or not the sets. So let us start. So you can see which of the following collection are set. Now first statement is all vowels. So in order to decide that all vowels collection is a set or not a set, we must have to see the actual shape of vowels. So let us see, these are the vowels. Now here you see A, E, I, O, U. So all these are different and these can be counted. Okay, so this collection will make the set. As we know, set is a collection or set is the group of a member where every member is unique. These may be not be same to the any other one. We can say that collection as a set. So we can write this as a set. I name this set T. If I name this set T and I will write under the braces, as we know, we write the elements in the small English alphabet. So I will write in A, E, I, O and U. Okay. So this is the set. This is the perfect example of set. Now how many elements are also there? There are 5 elements. So cardinal number of this set is 5. So if you want to write the cardinal number, then it is 5. Also this is a finite set or infinite set? This is finite set. Okay, because we can count the numbers. So that is 5. Therefore this is finite set. So student, this example leads you to the 3 answers of relating to sets. Now we are on the second question. Now the second question is the presidents of India. Now president of India from the independence are there. You can see their actual real pictures from the list of presidents of India. So you can see how many are these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So how many they are in counting? They are 14 in countings, and also all are different person. No repetition of the any pick is there in the list of presidents list. So we can say that this sentence is the set. Okay, President of India, the list of President of India makes a set. Okay, this is the example of set. We can write their name in the set, but that is not our topic now. We can see the picture and can write the actual number of the presidents in the given list is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, what is the number of the elements? Number of the member in the set is 14. Okay. So, we move to the next question. Now, the next statement is color of a rainbow. So, have you seen the rainbow? If you seen, then it is okay. But if you have not seen, then I will show you the pic of the rainbow. So, you can see here. This is the picture of rainbow. So, you may see that how many colors are there? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So how many colors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 colors are there. Because the list is small, though, so I can write their names. I will write their names. Violet. I will name the set R. Violet, indigo, red or blue, red, orange, yellow and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellow and green. So you can see that how many colors are there? Only 7 colors are there in a rainbow. So the number of elements in R is, this is the set, R is a set, because each color is different and number of elements in R is 7. So the cardinal number of the colors of a rainbow is 7. Okay. So cardinal number of the set R is 7. Counting numbers between 30 and 40. We will write the number from 30, but we will not write 30. So I will write 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay. So how many numbers are there? I will write these in the set because all are different and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 9 in counting. So I will name this set N or M. I will name this set M and M is a set. So number of elements in M set M is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So cardinal number of the set is 9. Now our next sentence is all yellow fruits. So all yellow fruits, those are in words we can find and write their names. But at present we don't know their names, so I will show you just a picture of those. You can see here. So you can consider them in a category of all the yellow fruits. So this is the set. So I will just write that this is the set. Okay. Now the next one is top 5 wicket takers in the Test cricket. Now know that if we search for the top 5 wicket takers, we can see this pitch. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 persons are there and no one is the same no one is repeated, therefore we can make them the collection of set. We can consider them as a selection of set. So this is the set. How many members are there? Only 5, because it is written that we have to consider only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 ones who are the top 5 wicket taker in the Test cricket. Okay. So this is the set. And number of elements are there? Only 5, as it is written here. So student, in this video we are now able to decide the which sentence is a set and how it is a set. Also we have learned some about cardinality and the basics concepts regarding the set. Okay, you can see which sentences we have discussed in our video with the pictures. So